Can't tell, he's chucking it down. We are off to Target. And is it Walmart or Target we're going to? What? Walmart or Target? We're to Target to get some stuff. I'll catch you when we're there.
Flowers in it.
We're out in Target. Do fat shopping. Oh my god, what is that?
I've never watched it.
That's cool. It's got my name on it. First thing in the basket. I'm out here for the time being.
We're not going to come back in here. What?
I could do with one. I don't want kids. Get some fur. Is that a spray? I don't want 50.
Get the spray.
Nice one. Second purchase. Sun cream. Buzzing. Let's see what else we can get. Yeah. Careful with them. Some mugs. I'm so funny. Katie wants to buy pans. You want to buy pans?
I need a little pan
For what? I don't think you can take a frying pan into Disney. Women. Are you alright? Tarjay. I just spent all my time playing Mario Kart. Now I've got to find Katie. I have no clue where she could be. Lego. I need that one. Where is she? Oh, Pop Funkos. There's an Imperial Range Trooper, which is cool. Baby Beetlejuice. I don't know where Katie is. I'm lost. Where could she be? I don't even know what aisle to look down. Baby aisle for Rosie and Belle. Ah, what pain in my side. I am fully lost. Where is she? I'll get back to you when I found her.
Question.
Found you.
Do you think these would be cute for matching for Rosie and Belle? So 2 when Belle's 2.
Yeah.
Rosie will be 4, won't she? When Rosie's 4.
I think so, yeah. What, then they're presents?
Yeah, but like,
Yeah?
they'd be cute matching.
They'd be cute.
But is there 2 years difference between Belle and Rosie?
I don't know. How old is Rosie now?
Rosie were 2 this year.
Belle will be
Belle
2.
were 2. Belle were 2
in 2.
next. Not this year, next year.
Yeah. That'd be cute.
I don't know though. I don't know if I love them or not. Can you FaceTime your mum and ask her what she thinks?
I can't, I've got no internet.
Can you use my phone? Oh, that's all American sweetheart. That's not American sweetheart.
No. All Katie does is, she touches a piece of clothing and walks away. That's what I've realised. She'll touch something and just walk past it. Like, what the hell? My knees are giving in. And I'm dying. What have come for?
This one I usually get.
This is our trolley up to now. Smaller than I thought. I'm in a way. I haven't vlogged for a while because we're getting bits. Our trolley's now full to the brim with stuff. That does smell quite nice. Whatever that may be. I'm gonna go pay, so you'll see us when we're back at his room. I have spoken. Yo, so change of outfits as we are off to Magic Kingdom to watch the fireworks later on. Kid's got a bride ears on. OOTN outfit of the OOTE outfit of the evening.
New Balances, socks from Primark, Sheen, Pushable, remember this time.
Boom.
Loungefly, Animal Kingdom, ears from Disney Shop.
Loungefly Animal Kingdom.
Yeah, got it from Animal
Ah.
Kingdom.
I got my Happily Ever After ears on.
Fine with me.
New Baymax NFL jersey. Primark shorts. Same socks and shoes as this one. They are dripping out today, and I've got a Yoki bar. Because I'm hungry. We'll see you when we're queuing for the Magical Kingdom buses. We're at Magic Kingdom. Yep.
Happily ever after.
We're gonna watch the fireworks.
I'm the Starlight.
And the light parade. Starlight parade. What else? We're gonna see what accommodation Tron can give us. And then we're on another ride. If they're giving us a return time. If not, then we ride Tron. Buzzing. Change of plan. Like always, we're going to see Mickey Mouse. He's only a 25-minute wait, so we thought we'll get it done while we're here. Buzzing. See Mickey Mouse.
Goodbye, Mickey. Goodbye. That's it. Come on. Bye. Let's go.
Hello, Mickey.
Get the ears. You were told.
Very. Nah.
Get the ears.
Yeah, thank you.
And yes, so you can scan your magic vengeance.
Thank you.
Good night.
Bye, Mickey. Thank you. See you later. Just met Mickey Mouse. Local experience. I'll set the pictures now. What's the plan now? We don't know what the plan is. What is the plan?
It's raining, so maybe not very good plans.
What's Haunted Mansion or Pirates on? We haven't been on them yet.
I should get down to Santa.
Ready to begin.
We also need a balloon. I don't think they sell them at Galaxy's Edge.
A balloon?
If they saved the day.
Why do we need a balloon for that?
And a license. Does it look cool in the video?
Oh, it's raining. I'll let you know what we're doing, I'll put this away. We are in the street shop and it smells absolutely sensational. Look at all the sweets. Oh.
That's the Starlight popcorn.
It's blue.
Yeah, it's blue. Starlight.
That's weird. Blue popcorn.
Credit on all of these. Look, snack credit.
Oh, that's cool.
But you can't on that.
No, you can't.
Snack credit. Snack credit. Snack credit.
Majority of snack credits pricing are really big ones. We're going to check the queue. We're going to check the accommodation for Tron. See if the gates return time. It's raining. Not too bad though, but still raining. I feel like my ears are wonky. Better. So we're in Tomorrowland. So cool. I have spoken. So we just asked Tron about alternate accommodation, and what they said were none of them were.
People said that Tron's not really accommodating, but we thought we'd give it a go.
We give it a go. It was really nice about it though. Don't get me wrong. It was just none of the.
When it's not peak times to come.
Yeah, just come when it's not peak times, basically. But any other, but the accommodations they told us weren't very suitable for me. But it is what it is. We're just gonna go back at non-peak times. It's a 40-minute Space Mountain. What a guy, what a G at Space Mountain. Here's a return time and then give Katie a badge saying I'm celebrating because we're getting married. So, because I've already got this on.
Family's from Nottingham, which isn't far from us.
Yeah.
I'm going for a week while we're here.
Buzzing. Katie's going for a while.
Do you want to get a snack? We've got half an hour.
What would you like? I'm gonna get an ice cream sandwich for reducing snack credits.
Will you look after that one for me?
What do you want? And I'll go get it. We're getting snacks. So I went to get getting married bit on a thing, but then we got these instead. They had some available, so they could use them. I've lost Katie. Is she still paying for the food? I don't know. Oh yeah, she is there. Never mind, they're going. Here we got these, so we're going to put these on after we've eaten our ice cream sandwiches. I have spoken.
Should be in good health and
You can't see me, oh, you're able to see me?
heart, back, or neck.
We're going to Space Mountain. Our return time has happened and now we are here. So I'll catch you all after Space Mountain. I've spoken. What's Space Mountain? Get it? Looks like I'm wearing nothing on my shorts. Number 12 then. Let's go. Whiplash. Whoa. Picture.
Flight safety. Hand over inside the vehicle and remain seated while in motion. You are clear for launch.
Look up, Katie. Hello. You ready?
I'm ready.
Peace. God. Ah! Oh. Oh my.
I didn't lost popcorn bucket. I've never run my bag so quick in my life.
Space shuttle. Flight safety.
I don't think I've ever done this front row. This is black. You can't see the At least the weekend it was quite good.
Are you okay?
I'm traumatised. I'm not scared of roller coasters. I was just absolutely been top before that.
Oh no. What's the plan after your win?
Try and get 7 dwarfs lightning later.
7 dwarfs, right. We'll catch you later. No. Well, my hair's a mess, jeez. So, just went to trade pins, and the guy saw I was a Star Wars nerd, so he said, I've got trivia for you for a special pin.
He said, I know you'll want it.
I know, you'll know I want it. So I did trivia. It was 6 famous quotes from Star Wars. I got 4, and my mind went completely blank, and I don't know why. But then I got through prompts from him and Katie, so I got all 6. And then this was the pin. Sick pin, and it's
Diamond Mickey.
Diamond Mickey pin. Buzzing. But you put it back in my bag now. So yeah, absolutely buzzing. So, 7 Doors Mine Train, big up. We've got return time for that. 4 minutes past 9.
I do think it solely depends on what cast member you get.
Yeah. If you get a nice cast member, they'll let you. They'll be good to you, I think.
And it depends how busy it is as well, I think.
Yeah.
Like, the line in queue now is horrendous. So
It's quite back to
what time did you say? 9:05?
9:05. So what's the Haunted Mansion? That's only a 20-minute queue, so
You can wait in that.
I can wait 20 minutes. Pardon me? Mine's not.
Yeah.
Oh, that's why. We'll catch you when we're queuing for Haunted Mansion. We are currently queuing for Haunted Mansion. Kate's got a timer on. They said 25 minutes. It's been 3 minutes. We're seeing. We'll let you know how that goes, but I'm going to put the GoPro away. So I'm not going to record this ride because I just want to chill and enjoy the ride. So I'll catch you all after. I don't like football dead. Whoa! Whoa! We go. Da, 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 da.
It's so deflated.
I prefer bag.
listening, dreamers of all ages. In just 10 minutes, the Magic Kingdom invites you to enjoy our nighttime spectacular Happily Ever After, presented by Pandora Jewelry.
Are you kidding
Our
me?
journey begins in just 10 minutes.
Baited by Disney.
Thank you.
I love how people were so sad, acting like they could do that.
And they all lived happily ever after. Each of us has a dream, a heart's desire. It calls to us. And when we're brave enough to listen and bold enough to pursue, that dream will lead us on a journey to discover who we're meant to be. All we have to do is look inside our hearts and unlock the magic within.
Ready to begin, let the wonder take hold. Feel it draw you in, watch the moment unfold. Spark a dream that we're meant to follow, setting out for a new tomorrow. Every step we take brings a new hope, a new day. Every choice we make helps us find our own way. Every wish finally put into motion, diving in with our hearts wide open. The sky comes alive when we move through adventure. Evening star is shining bright, so make a wish and hold on tight. There's magic in the air tonight, and anything can happen. friend, never had a friend. Never had a friend like me.
It looks and it dresses like it's the most beautiful of all. And so our journey comes to an end, but yours continues on. Grab hold of your dreams and make them come true. For you are the key to unlocking your own magic. Now go, let your dreams guide you. Reach out and find your happily ever after.
The battles, the stories, the losses, and all the glory were changed by the way we live every day. Just look up and reach to the sky. We all have the courage to fly. You can fly. You can
flashing so you can see me. We are now waiting for the parade. Fireworks and that are done. I'm absolutely knackered by the way and I'm sweating. But fireworks are done, now waiting for the parade, so I'll catch you all when it's the parade time. I've spoken.
By virtue of starlight and all that is good, may each and every one of your dreams come true. Do as dreamers do, and wish upon a star.
Wow, one wish made all of this.
Yup, it's a wish come true.
Oh, Mom, have you ever seen anything so wonderful?
The magic of starlight is all around us.
Yo, you might not be able to see us, but we just watched the Starlight Parade and the fireworks.
I'm freezing, mate.
I'm gonna end the vlog here because we're knackered. I want to put this away so we can just have a steady walk back to his bus. So, hope you all enjoyed. I have spoken.
I have spoken.